Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in technology. Today, we have an exciting unboxing and first impressions of the latest smartphone that has taken the tech world by storm. This highly anticipated device promises cutting-edge features and remarkable performance, so let's dive right in and see what all the buzz is about. Here we have the packaging. As you can see, the design is minimalistic yet elegant, reflecting the premium nature of the product within. The brand logo is prominently displayed on the front, and the overall aesthetics suggest that this smartphone means business. Now let's open this box and reveal what's inside. Upon lifting the lid, we are greeted with the device itself, beautifully presented. This model comes in a stunning new color variant, an exquisite blend that captures the light beautifully. Let's take a closer look at the phone before we explore the other inclusions in the box. The first impression of the smartphone is its premium build quality. The materials used are top-notch, providing a satisfying weight and feel in hand. The edges are rounded, making it comfortable to hold. The display is expansive, boasting vibrant colors and exceptional clarity, which is crucial for media consumption and gaming. Now let's see what else is included in this package. We have the standard accessories, a fast-charging adapter, a USB-C cable, a pair of wired earphones, and a protective case. It's worth noting that the inclusion of these accessories is a thoughtful touch, as many brands now forgo such items. Additionally, we find a quick start guide and warranty information tucked underneath. This is becoming increasingly rare, so it's refreshing to see. Now that we have unboxed the device, let's discuss the specifications and features that set this smartphone apart from its competitors. This model is equipped with the latest processor, which guarantees smooth performance and efficiency, whether you are multitasking or playing graphics-intensive games. One of the standout features is its camera system, which consists of a triple-lens setup. The primary sensor boasts an impressive megapixel count, ensuring stunning detail in every shot. The ultra-wide lens opens up new possibilities for landscape photography, while the telephoto lens allows for excellent zoom capabilities without sacrificing quality. I'm particularly eager to test its low-light performance, as this has become a critical aspect for many users. Having spent a few moments with the device, my first impressions are overwhelmingly positive. The interface is intuitive and user-friendly, featuring the latest version of the operating system, which brings a host of new features and enhancements. The speed of navigation is impressive, and I appreciate the customization options available to tailor the experience to individual preferences. The touchscreen is highly responsive, with minimal lag between input and action. This is particularly important for those who rely on their devices for both work and leisure. The display quality is stunning, with vibrant colors and deep contrast that make videos and images pop. In conclusion, the latest smartphone has certainly made a strong first impression. With its premium design, powerful performance, and impressive camera capabilities, it appears to be a worthy contender in the crowded smartphone market. I look forward to testing it further and sharing a more in-depth review with you all soon. If you enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more tech content. We'd also love to hear your thoughts on this smartphone in the comments below. What features are you most excited about? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.